How to use amla for hair growth. Amla, or the Indian gooseberry, is known for the multitude of benefits it offers to your hair and scalp. This edible fruit of the myrobalan tree, mainly seen in India and Burma, is known to have an abundance of tannins and vitamin C. It is a rich source of antioxidants and also contains camphorol, flavonoids, and gallic acid, all of which help enhance hair texture. But how exactly does the fruit help boost hair growth? Keep reading to find out. Amla is considered a miracle cure for hair care. It is said to promote hair growth, prevent dandruff and lice, and improve hair quality. But is there any scientific backing for these claims? Here's what research says. Amla helps stimulate hair growth. It replenishes hair and induces hair growth. Amla has the highest natural content of vitamin C. Vitamin C has antioxidant properties and can help balance out free radicals that cause oxidative stress. This oxidative stress causes hair loss, damage, and premature aging and graying of hair. Amla contains tannins that help protect the hair from heat and photodamage. It contains calcium, which promotes healthier hair. It helps strengthen hair follicles and reduces hair thinning. It helps enhance hair's natural color and prevents premature graying of hair. It is often used in hair dyes. It is antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, which is why it is often used in hair tonics. Scurvy is caused due to vitamin C deficiency. One of its symptoms is hair loss. Amla can combat scurvy owing to its high concentration of vitamin C. Amla has antifungal and antiviral properties, which suggests that it might help reduce and prevent dandruff and other fungal infections and improve scalp health. Amla oil is often used in Ayurveda as a treatment for scalp issues. When used in the oil form or ingested, amla nourishes hair and strengthens it. Amla helps reduce hair loss. Benefits of including amla in your diet. Adding amla to your diet helps reduce oxidative stress and reduces free radicals. It also helps reduce lipid peroxidation. This reduces damage to the hair. Another benefit of adding amla to your diet is that vitamin C in amla increases the antioxidants in your body. It is also known to purify the blood and prevent premature graying of hair and hair loss. Now that you know the benefits of amla for hair, read on to know how you can use it to improve your hair health. How to use amla for hair growth at home. 1. Amla oil for hair growth. A study showed that coconut oil could penetrate the hair shaft and nourish it from within. It can also reduces protein loss and protects hair from photo and heat damage. Coconut oil also helps repair hair damage and split ends. It helps reduce hair loss, enhances hair color, and conditions the hair. Olive oil can also help reduce split ends, hair loss, and hair damage. It also helps reduce dandruff, lice, and scalp acne and acts as a hair cleanser and conditioner. You will need 2 teaspoons amla powder, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Processing time: 45 minutes. Process: combine the olive and coconut oils. Heat the oil in a pan and add 2 teaspoons of amla powder to it. Heat the oil until it turns brown. Turn off the heat and set the oil aside to cool. Once the charred powder has settled, collect the oil in a bowl. While it is still slightly warm, apply it to your scalp and hair. Massage your scalp for about 15 minutes. Once you are done massaging your scalp and your hair is fully covered in the oil, wait for an additional 30 minutes with the oil in your hair. Wash the oil out with a mild sulfate-free shampoo and cool, lukewarm water. How often? 3 times a week. Amla and shiitake for hair growth. Shiitake, like amla, can stimulate hair growth. Another study showed that a herbal shampoo containing shiitake induced hair growth and increased hair thickness. It strengthened the hair at the roots and improved hair health. You will need 2 tablespoons amla powder, 2 tablespoons shiitake powder, 4 tablespoons water. Processing time: 40 minutes. Process: mix the amla and shiitake powders with water to get a smooth, consistent paste. Apply this paste as a hair mask to your hair and scalp. Once your scalp and hair are fully covered, leave the mask on for about 40 minutes. Wash your hair with cool water. If you have relatively clean hair, you can skip shampooing as shiitake has cleansing properties. How often? Once a week. Amla powder and egg for hair growth. Eggs are often used in hair packs since they are full of protein. Egg yolk was shown to induce hair growth in human dermal cells. You will need 2 whole eggs, 1/2 cup amla powder. Processing time: 1 hour. Process: whisk the eggs in a bowl until they start to fluff up. Add the amla powder to the bowl and stir until you get a smooth, consistent paste. Apply this paste as a hair mask to your hair and scalp. Leave the mask on for about 1 hour. Wash your hair with cool water. Do not use warm, hot water as it may end up cooking the egg in your hair. How often? Once a week. Henna and amla for hair growth. Henna is a well-known natural coloring agent as it contains lawson. It also helps prevent dandruff and premature graying of hair. It also reduces hair fall. You will need 1 tablespoon amla powder, 3 tablespoons henna powder, 4 tablespoons warm water. Processing time: 1 to 2 hours. Process: place the ingredients in a bowl and stir until you get a smooth, consistent mixture. Make sure to use a plastic or glass bowl and not a metal one. Let the mixture soak overnight. In the morning, apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. You can add indigo to the mixture if you do not want your hair to turn orange. Once your scalp and hair are fully covered, leave the mask in for about 1 to 2 hours. Wash your hair with cool water and a mild sulfate-free shampoo. How often? Once a month. Amla and lemon juice recipe for hair growth. Lemon juice acts as a scalp cleanser and helps reduce dandruff. This is because it has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. It can also help reduce hair loss and scalp acne. You will need 1 tablespoon amla juice, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Processing time: 15 minutes. Process: combine the amla and lemon juice in a glass plastic bowl. Mix well. Massage this solution into your scalp for about 5 minutes. Leave the amla lemon solution on for an additional 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes have passed, wash your hair with a mild sulfate-free shampoo and cool, lukewarm water. How often? 1 to 2 times every fortnight. Fenugreek and amla for hair growth. A study suggested that fenugreek seeds inhibit hair growth by improving blood circulation to the hair follicles. Another study done on mice showed that fenugreek stimulated good hair growth. You will need 2 tablespoons amla powder, 2 tablespoons fenugreek powder, 5 tablespoons warm water. Processing time: 20 minutes. Process: place the ingredients in a bowl and stir until you get a smooth, consistent mixture. Make sure to use a plastic or glass bowl and not a metal one. Let the mixture soak overnight. In the morning, apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Once your scalp and hair are fully covered, leave the mask in for about 20 minutes. Wash your hair with cool water and a mild sulfate-free shampoo. How often? 1 to 2 times a week. Curry leaves and amla for hair growth. Curry leaves are antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant. They can improve scalp health and reduce hair fall. Curry leaves, when used with coconut oil, can help stimulate hair growth. You will need 1/4 cup curry leaves, 1/4 cup chopped amla, 1 cup coconut oil. Processing time: 45 minutes. Process: heat the coconut oil in a pan and add the chopped amla and curry leaves to it. Heat the oil until it turns brown. Turn off the heat and set the oil aside to cool. Collect the oil in a jar and discard the amla and curry leaves. While it is still slightly warm, apply it to your scalp and hair. Massage your scalp for about 15 minutes. Once you are done massaging your scalp and your hair is fully covered in the oil, wait for an additional 30 minutes. Wash the oil out with a mild sulfate-free shampoo and cool, lukewarm water. These are the ways you can use amla to stimulate hair growth. However, you need to keep certain points in mind before you use Amla. Side effects and risks. Although there aren't many side effects to using Amla, it is advisable to consult a doctor before using it if you are pregnant. Do not use it on infants or children. Also, do a patch test before you use any of the recipes to prevent reactions like rashes and hives. Hair growth will definitely take time, but with some help from the Indian gooseberry, you can speed the process up a bit. While it may be generally safe to use to boost hair growth, it is better to speak to an Ayurvedic practitioner or doctor to understand if you can include Amla in your hair care regimen. Tell us about your experience in the comments section below. Please like and subscribe.